Welcome to How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how to close your FASTag, Paytm FASTag. Yes, you are listening very right. If you want to close your Paytm FASTag, watch this video. Before proceeding, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Now watch the video till the end and learn how to close your Paytm FASTag. First of all, open Paytm app. Here you will see many options as you can check out, and when you go below you will find this close FASTag option. You have to click on that. After that it will start showing you your vehicle number that I have been it's in my under the Agutha. Over here we have to select this one. This one is that number. After that it will start showing you the refundable amount, how much refundable amount you will get after closing this is FASTag. Click on this close. You will receive a SMS. Now after getting your SMS you can check out the main balance that was in wallet, that is 307, and FASTag security was 150 that we will receive in our account, and it's showing with our vehicle number that closing initiated. And after that you can check out over here that is successful. Now click on OK. Your closure has been initiated. If you like this video about this Paytm FASTag, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.